Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City. Daily FX market news.
October 12, 10:30 America New York, US dollar price action setups, EUR, USD, GBP, USD, USD, CAD, USD, JPY. The US dollar is holding near highs ahead of tomorrow's CPI report, and a fast turnaround yesterday highlights continued aggression from bulls. Global economy.
October 12, 10:12 America New York, how to head off a new transatlantic trade war. An EU-US bargain over green subsidies can stop electric vehicles becoming the new Airbus-Boeing dispute.
Global economy.
October 12, 10 o'clock America New York, a self-inflicted lockdown, the cost of living crisis puts lives on hold. Hundreds of people across the world responded to our call-out and revealed what sacrifices they're making to cope with a squeeze on incomes.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 12, 8:52 America New York, IMF urges governments restrain spending to fight inflation. U.S. and global government debt as a share of GDP is expected to fall this year, but stay above pre-pandemic levels, report says.
Daily FX market news.
October 12, 8:30 America New York, how technical levels will develop in Q4 of 2022. Daily FX analysts give their expert predictions and their 2022 Q4 forecasts to help you with your trading strategy and analysis, minimizing risk and maximizing returns. Predictions our analysts offer are based on fundamental factors such as economic outlook, capital flows and trade balances, or technical indicators such as moving averages and MACD.
New York Times Business.
October 12, 8:23 America New York, Pepsi defies fears of slowdown with strong earnings and forecast. The soda and snack maker's quarterly results provided a sign that shoppers continued to spend despite high inflation squeezing their wallets. PepsiCo reported that its profit expanded by more than 20% in the third quarter.
New York Times Business.
October 12, 8:18 America New York, financial markets turmoil roils Britain once again. Volatility has returned to the United Kingdom's bond and currency markets as a big Bank of England's debt-buying deadline looms. Andrew Bailey, the governor of the Bank of England, was hit with a new bout of markets turmoil today.
Daily FX market news.
October 12, 8:15 America New York, FSTE 100 plagued by weak GDP data, political missteps and rising yields. UK equities continue lower as GDP disappoints, bow rate hike odds reach 100 bits per second and political missteps result in a UK premium. UK earnings season picks up.
BBC News Business.
October 12, 8:10 America New York, experts round on Jacob Rees-Mogg over mini-budget claims. The business secretary is criticized for blaming volatility on the Bank of England's failure to raise interest rates.
Marginal revolution.
October 12, 8:06 America New York, Wednesday assorted links. 1. Where does the Wikimedia Foundation spend its money? 2. In sports, on the development of good general managers. 3. Agree with Daniel Klein on the word, populism.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 12, 8 o'clock America New York, how a diabetes drug became the talk of Hollywood, tech and the Hamptons. Ozempic and other injections meant to treat chronic medical conditions are in high demand among elites looking to lose a little weight.
Global economy.
October 12, 7:59 America New York, the world is starting to hate the Fed. It is Joe Biden, not America's central bank, who has the tools to cushion the global blow caused by domestic policy.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 12, 7:22 America New York, U.S. suppliers halt operations at top Chinese memory chip maker. Chip equipment suppliers are pulling out staff based at China's leading memory chip maker and pausing business activities there as they assess the impact of Commerce Department semiconductor export restrictions.
New York Times Business.
October 12, 5 o'clock America New York, the age of PCR prosperity. China's COVID testing strategy comes under strain. Bills are piling up and infections are spreading, yet there are no signs that Beijing plans to rethink a cornerstone of its pandemic policy.
BBC News Business.
October 12, 2:12 America New York, UK economy unexpectedly shrinks in August. Economic growth in the UK fell 0.3% in August, after growing by 0.1% in July, official figures show.
Day Trade Review.
October 12. 139 America, New York. Track Your Dividends Review, Tools for Dividend Investors. Considering using Track Your Dividends? Make sure to read this review first to find out if this service fits your needs. The post Track Your Dividends Review, Tools for Dividend Investors appeared first on Day Trade Review.
Marginal Revolution.
October 12. 044 America, New York. How much will AI succeed in the arts? That is the topic of my latest Bloomberg column, and let us start with what is likely to work well. It almost goes without saying that the AI revolution currently underway is impressive.
BBC News Business.
October 11th. 2345 America, New York. Uber and Lyft shares slump on U.S. gig economy plan. Tens of millions of people work in the global gig economy across services like food delivery and transport.